Hello YouTube. So I bought this air compressor from Harbor Freight. Had a coupon, it was $150, and stupid me, I bought the warranty too. Cost like $30. Wish I didn't do that, but you know, do stupid shit all the time, right? I mean, it's not that bad of an air compressor. Got some knobs on here, you can adjust the pressure. Just make sure you put oil in it. I mean, there's 1,000 stickers all over it saying put oil in it. The only problem I have with this thing is it's really loud. I'll release some air so you can hear it. Some earplugs. Make sure you get some earplugs before you get this. That's all I gotta say about it. Yeah. Thanks for watching.